Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to post a voice note on your WhatsApp status. WhatsApp allows you to share your thoughts, music, or any audio message as a status update for your contacts to hear. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp by tapping it. In the WhatsApp homepage, you can see at the bottom left of your screen status, tap it, and then look for the pen icon and tap it to start making your status. After doing so, look for the microphone icon located at the top of your keyboard. Tap and hold it to record. If you are done, release the microphone icon to stop recording. You can listen to it by tapping the play button located near your profile. Hit the send icon to post your voice status. That's it! Now you know how to post a voice note on your WhatsApp status. Remember to keep your voice notes engaging and considerate of your audience. Have fun sharing your thoughts and favorite audio with your friends and family. Thank you for watching!